Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a Jade Roller, which is probably the most popular beauty tool at the moment, and also how to maximize the benefits from your skincare products using this tool. Now, for those of you who follow my Instagram stories, you will remember that I bought this Jade Roller from Sephora in New York back in January, and since then I've had a lot of follow-up queries asking people how I've been using this, if this has made any difference to my skin. So hopefully this video is going to address all your questions. So I've been using the Jade Roller in my skincare routine to add just a bit of facial massage to my daily routine, and I don't typically have the time for this in the mornings, but I do make a bit of time in the evening to use this, and I feel it has helped my skin tremendously. So this helps in boosting the blood circulation in your face. It also helps in reducing puffiness. It can also help in better absorption of the skincare products that you are using, and that results in your skin looking healthier, fresher, and more radiant. Another one of its known benefits is a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. I've started using Olay again recently as part of their 28 days challenge, using their White Radiance Perfecting Hydrating Essence. I know it's a bit of a mouthful, but this is such a lovely serum. It's really lightweight, it feels hydrating, and it smells really nice. And I'm loving this moisturizer for my evening routine. I have used this previously, and I do find myself coming back to this because it's really nourishing, and I wake up with soft, supple, really smooth feeling skin every morning when I use this. I generally use the Tone Perfecting Hydrating Essence before using the Regenerist Microsculpting Cream. This is lighter, this sinks into the skin more easily than the cream because it's an essence, and generally it's a good practice to use any lightweight products before you use the heavier, creamier products because it just absorbs better into the skin. And these two together are called the Power Duo. This one helps in my skin staying more radiant and fresh, and this helps in nourishing the skin and also helping reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, using the roller over a few months, I've realized that it's not as much as which roller you use, it's more about the cream or the serums or the oils, whichever skincare products that you are using to use the Jade Roller, that makes more of a difference. And I like using it with the Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Cream because this has a really rich consistency, so it just gives that necessary slip and glide for the roller. You don't want to use it on skin that is not quite moist, because the roller is going to face friction, and that's not what we want. We want the roller to be able to glide on the skin really easily. In the first technique, I use the Jade Roller to give myself a face massage by gliding the roller in a firm press and roll motion against the facial contour. You can use slightly more pressure when doing the upward glide to give a firm lift to the facial muscles. A Jade Roller basically gives you a cool surface that is super smooth, and it allows you to access into muscles and tissues with a pressure, making it more effective than a simple hand massage. You can also do this around the eye area to reduce puffiness, and let's not forget the neck. That was the first technique. Just use a firm press and roll motion in an upward glide. And in the second technique, the objective is lymphatic drainage, and that is to support the natural detoxification system of the body. This helps in boosting the blood flow beneath the skin, granting it a visible glow. Now, for this technique, imagine the bridge of your nose as a central point and roll away in all directions. Finally, roll outward along the jawline and along the side of the neck to finish this process. Using a Jade Roller is a safe and effective way to boost the efficacy of your products and also to lift and brighten your skin. Make sure you use this on moisturized skin. Please do not use this on dry skin. And I would also recommend you guys to take up the Olay 28-day challenge and share your journey with me. Let me know how the products are working for your skin. And that is all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have tried Jade Rollers, let me know your experience in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.